Now I've cut my shims and I can see that the head and the side jamb are touching really nice, so I'm not going to put a trim screw in there. That door closes nice. So now I'm going to put the lock on and attach the catch. Putting on all this hardware, they're all slotted screws. I keep changing screwdrivers. There's the Yankee, I showed you that. Then this is a standard size screwdriver. And then this is a cabinet maker's. It's smaller, it's longer, it lets me get in around the door handle. But this is where you really don't want to use cordless tools. You think it's faster. It's faster to disaster. You're going to ruin it really fast, scratch your faceplates. Just use the tools that they used to use. Takes a little bit of patience, a little bit of strength. Now I gotta find a key to take that deadbolt off. Okay, so now I need to put the catch on. Let's see, where did it go? strike plate catch. This is a combination for the doorknob and the deadbolt. So what I do is I close the door, and where the doorknob catch goes, I mark the top and the bottom. And I'm not going to make the lock come out again, but I can see it. Where the deadbolt goes, I'm going to mark the top and the bottom. So there's a small space between the two, right here. I can see someone has ground that out a little bit. Now I just have to place this where it needs to go and align everything up. And it's dropped down. It's dropped down to its original position. That's funny. Wow. So it's going to make installing that really easy. I can see where it's been mortised out high and mortised out low over the years. That's common. Okay. Nice. So, nice. The door closes just like I'd want it to. Now I'm going to put the trim back. I'm going to have to cut it and make it fit. And I'm going to use modern nail guns for that. Pine, heart pine, old heart pine, can be really cantankerous. It's actually a pretty hard wood, even though it's a soft, or conifer, even though it's a soft wood. It will take that nail and split it, or spin it, or twist it. And so you have to watch your hands. If you're hand nailing it, it will split the wood. There's a trick, which is you take your hammer and tap the point of the nail so it's not like a wedge, it's more like a blunted instrument. That will help, but if I just use the modern air nail guns, that works really well. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, last screw to put in the barrel bolt. Okay, so we finished the basics on this door. The door fits nice, it closes, it locks. I found that when we live in the old houses, if we have a skeleton key, people will lock themselves in, worried about someone else breaking in. So what we do is we take and put a piece of electrical tape here, because people are worried about peeping through the keyhole, which you can do. But it's just funny. So we just make things really simple. There's a barrel bolt and voila. Really like this hardware. We fixed this door today. It was quite a project. These sometimes just simply don't go this well. And we've got 3 or 4 more to go in this particular house. If you have anything that you'd like to add to help everybody out, please leave your comments in the comments below, which would be great. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.